Okay, this is the last video where we're going to learn how to do credits and music and how to log out and log back in and edit your project. So when you get done adding all of your slides and pictures and recording your speech, you're going to do the credits. The credits just are here at the end, and that's where you click on it, and credits only get text, so you just click on add your own credits, and you can, thank everybody for watching. You can put your name down in here. You know how to do credits, but I would also change the timing of it so that you get a lot of time for credits there. Something that I want you to pay attention to is you're going to have way more than three photos here. You're going to have quite a bit. I'm guessing if you're doing a photo for every 1 to 2 sentences, you're going to have like around 20 photos, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, but this is going to be quite a bit. So if they ever get like out of order, it's okay, but you really should try to just go one little thing at a time. And when you add the next slide, it's just going to automatically put it as number 4 and then number 5. It'll always keep the credits at the end. So, make sure you're paying attention to that. Remember, when you add one, the very first thing you'll do is add a photo, and then you're going to change the time, and then you're going to record. Okay, so you can see that because of where I was clicked, look, I was clicked in between here, it didn't put it in as number 4. So you really do have to kind of have your mouse here, and then when you add a new one, then it will change it, like see here to number 5. And maybe I added an extra one too soon, so I can delete it. But that's how you would work. Once you get the right one, you click a photo, you extend the time, you record your voice. Okay, so let's go into how to do music. So you just click on music. I like to go back to the very first one, but you don't have to. You click on music, and you're going to scroll through these musics. I'm going to turn the music on by that top button. And when you're doing these speech ones, you're not really going to want playful or rousing or thematic. You're probably going to want one that's more thoughtful or warm. You just want to be careful when you choose that. This one might not be terrible. Yeah, those aren't. I think those are that one was a little too fast. I'm going to probably choose something that's in the warm area. Let's see what this one sounds like. It's pretty nice and just mellow. I'm just previewing these. You can do the same thing. Oh, it looks like I clicked on Skyline instead of trying to hear it. So let's see if I can change that a little bit. It's hard to see that. Yeah, I think I might like this one, the Sweet Arrival. So you click it, make sure that it's check marked, and it's going to go automatically into all of your video. So you can watch your video small, one slide at a time, or you can click this play button to watch the whole thing. After the Constitution was written, not very many people wanted to support it because they thought the government would be too powerful. You can pause at any time and click the X. If you hate the photo, right, you can go in. Like, I don't love that photo because it's blurry, so you can go in and change the photo. I hope you have a good time with this. Maybe have your speech out in front of you, right, and go through each sentence and try to find a photo, or maybe go through 2 sentences and try and find a photo. But the last thing I want to show you is, what do you do when you're ready to be done for the day and you want to get out of here? You can click the back arrow button. You can completely close out. Either way, whenever you go back in, I think the best way to do that is to go to, I don't know where it's going every time I keep creating that, but to go into Google again and type Adobe Spark student login. And since I didn't sign Shaylee out, it'll probably log her right back in once I click on the student one. If not, I just click start now for free. And you're going to go through the same process where you choose. Oh, see, it went right back in here because I didn't sign her out. If you had signed out, you just go through the whole process again. But you just go into your recent projects and you can edit it from there. If you can't find it, you can click on projects and then click the edit project.